Your name?
Roland Ikamana Van Loon.
Okay, where are you based?
I'm based in Hawaii, Santa Fe, New Mexico, and Aptos. Well, we're giving a facelift to this building on the wharf, and we're creating some interest with this mural of this giant octopus that's depicted under the pier to kind of get your imagination going.
Okay.
And right now we're installing it for the Capitola Boat and Bait Company, and which is a local company, and I'm here wanting to support this business because I just love the water and the whole idea of people fishing and learning how to fish and keeping that happening. And so I support this business and Dave and with this.
Is this mural based on one of your paintings?
Actually, it is. This is based off of a painting that used to be in here, but it's not in here. You know, that little painting that I showed you.
Okay. Are you on social media?
Yes, I am. You can find me at rolandvanloon.art. That's rolandvanloon.art.
So I'm assuming this will be ready by today.
This will be ready by the end of today. We're putting it up and it's going to be ready for viewing.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. I know you're busy, but we're going to put this small video. Hopefully people come and see the final product.
Thank you. That'd be great.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.